Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning, though it's raining outside. This is what we had yesterday. Today is 9th of April 2026. This is what we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for buys, potential buys above this level. I'm sorry, I had to redo this video again. I had done the first video, the audio is not good, so I'm redoing it. Don't mind the levels are not marked like they were yesterday. So, but this is what we're basically looking at. We are looking for buys above this level. The buys were above this level here. Remember when we were doing this analysis for yesterday, this candle was closing, was almost closing. So immediately I said I'll put a buy limit here, which was activated by this candle here. The buy limit was activated. My stop loss was here. Uh, Immediately this candle went up. The next candle just began and went down, closed below this previous candle, then started pushing the market down. There was some rejection here at our 30 minutes this was a resistance for them 30 minutes, which turned into support. So there was some rejection here, as you can see. Then this candle closed below the support, turned it into a resistance again. Then the next candle began opened here, closed, came down and closed here. Then it formed a support here, found the support here, then broke below the support and tapped our stop loss. This was at around 12:30 p.m. Immediately we were liquidated. This was our potential sale. Yeah. So when remember what I said, when I see a candle close below our potential sell or above our potential buy, that's a confirmation for either this is a confirmation for sell if a candle closes below our potential sell, and if our candle closes above our potential buy, that's a confirmation for buy. So after the confirmation, this is what I did. I put my sell limit here, a sell limit here, my stop loss just here, just above the structure. That's what just above the structural high. Yeah, I said if the market decides to go up, if it decides to break the structure, I'm out. So this is where my stop loss was. Market came up, I didn't move my stop loss. It played around here. Then at 4:30, that this was after the New York session had begun. The market pushed down, came here, then some consolidation here, then pushed down again to our take profit one. Our take profit one was hit at 9:30 p.m. When this candle closed below here, then this candle came and closed above here. Then I saw some rejection on this candle here. This is where I decided to close the trade. I closed my trade here. Once I saw this rejection, these two candles being rejected, I decided it's it's already midnight. Let me just close my trade here. So real quick, let's do our analysis for today. We're going to remove everything. At least yesterday our first trade was a losing one. It's not all trades that you're going to win. That's the nature of the business. You win some, you lose some. So we lost this one and we won this one. So the loss here, it was mitigated by this win here. Overall, it was a winning day. Okay, so real quick, we remove all drawings and start our analysis for today afresh. We're going down to, we're going to start top-down analysis. We're going to do a top-down analysis from 1 month down to 30 minutes. So on 1 month, this is what we have. Our resistance, this is where the market would face resistance if it decided to go up. Our resistance is there. Our support, if the market decides to go down, I would expect the market to experience some support down here. This is where we expect some rejection. That is on the monthly. On the weekly, uh, our support is down here. Our resistance up there. We go down to the daily. When we come to the daily, sometimes I like to use the weather body. These bodies, not the wicks. When you get to daily, I prefer using the body, not the wicks. So that was this is our daily support here, our daily resistance. Remember, you can't use this one here because you see. So our daily resistance, it's up there. When we go to down to 4 hours, 4 hours. Let's also use the wicks here. Not the wicks, the body. 4 hours. Our support is down there. That is our support for the 4 hours. The resistance up here, because you see there's a structure here that was broken. That's our resistance there. Down to the 1 hour. Let me adjust these ones to the wicks, to the bodies here. Adjust this one to the body there. Yeah. So 1 hour. 1 hour, this is where we are. 1 hour, let's pick the wicks. That's there. And that one there. That is where we are on the 1 hour. Okay. We go down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Our resistance is still down here. Our support is still down here. The support is the floor. The resistance is the roof. So our floor is still down here. Our roof is up. No, these are we have this one here. Here. Our roof is up here. So you see, the market is consolidating around here. Let's look at the 15 minutes, see what we have. 15 minutes, same consolidation. So now back to our 30 minutes. So this is how we are going to frame our entries. For the buys, move it here to the body here. You move it to the body there and use the wick there, that wick there. You're going to use that wick. If a candle closes above this wick here, that would signal a potential buy. Potential buys above. Okay. That is our potential buy above there. For the sales, we move this to the body there. And then use the wick here. Is our potential sales. Potential sales below. Okay, so this is how I'm going to take the trade. If this candle here closes below our potential sell level, I'm going to place a sell limit, short position, a sell limit here, and I would want to take the market to take profit 1, take profit 2, and then take profit 3 if we get enough volumes. So first I would want it to fill this gap up to here. If it closes below this support here, I would want to take it down to this level there. So that is our sell. That is what we are looking for on the sales. Stop loss would just be above, just above there. Stop loss just above there. For the buys, take profit 1, double take profit 2 there, then take profit 3. So for the buys, for the long position, I would want to take, if this candle closes above here, this candle closes above this level, our potential buy, I would want to take it from here. I would set a buy limit there, a buy limit there, yes. First, I don't want to see this market come all the way up here before I can take it all the way to this level here. Our stop loss, just below this structure, just below there. That would be a stop loss there. So there, that is what we are looking at today. Remember guys, let me label these levels for you. These are take profit 1, our take profit 2, and our take profit 3. Then on the buy side, these are take profit 1, our take profit 2, and there we have our take profit 3. Remember guys, risk manage your trades well. Proper risk management is key to surviving these markets. And trade what you see, not what you think. Happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of this.